welcome back. So today I'm working with this unit from Julia Hair. This is their body wave brand Balayage highlight 13 by 4 lace front human hair wig, body wave with baby hairs. Gorgeous. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out.
With me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?
Gorgeous. If you see, this color is so beautiful. This gold and black is so beautiful. The hair is so soft.
Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands.
So that is the unit. You can see it came with center part, and there is a lace at the back attached to the back, which means you can pack your hair ponytail. The unit came with some combs by the side. You can see an adjustable strap, and also it came with a cap wig for free.
It shouldn't be unfair.
I love this hair so much. So gorgeous. I wanted to do something different. You can see the wave, this body wave, the color is popping, like I used to say. I like this gold and black mixed together, guys. This is really for summer. Not only for summer, you can wear this anytime, and the color complements my skin. I've seen so many colors that complement my skin this period, and this one is not left out. I just love that black in front and the wave mixed with the black and gold. You see, the party is so long. I love long parties like this. You see, and you know what? I thought of doing something different from what I have done before. To be frank with you guys, when I'm going out, I don't glue my wigs down. It's only when I'm filming videos I do all this glue down, you see, slay my baby hairs and all that. Really, when I'm going out, I don't do all that. I just wear my wig and off. So I thought of, why not try something like that with you guys? That is what I did in this video. I did not glue this unit down, and it looks so fabulous, so fab. You wouldn't know that I didn't glue it down. Like I always say, hair glue damage edges, and you guys know my edges are all gone. They are all gone. I'm still fighting to bring them back. So I just let me share this with you guys. I'm going to use a styling mousse to take my hair backward. You guys know how we run this. I do this in all my videos. This is just to slip the hair or the flying hairs before cutting the excess lace from the wig. I position my wig very well the way I want it to be. Just look at those coils, look at that color. Oof. I so much love the color, and the coils are just, this body wave is so beautiful. So I patterned the area I want to cut the excess lace so that I don't cut my hair. So in case if you want this unit, you like it, I'm going to leave the link to it, the direct link to this one and some other wigs they have on their website. I'm going to leave it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out in case if you are interested. I said, I always cut the lace as close as possible to the hairline, very, very close.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend.
So no need for glue, no need for styling gel. Yeah, so I just did that and I coiled the hair, and that is all I did about this wig. I just hope you try this system out. Not always gluing your hair down. Sometimes we are in a hurry, we don't need to. I don't even glue it. I don't glue my wigs down when I'm going out. I don't. I do that for videos. I don't. And it's very, very quick and easy for me. All I do sometimes, I just coil my hair or straighten my hair, position it, and I'm off. Just try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you try out this pattern. If you try it out, let me know if you like it. Just let me know on the comment section. So that is it. I put some oil on it to give the hair a little shine. It's already shiny, but I just want it to shine the more. Okay, so I did that and I coiled the hair.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
Because I want my coils to last long, what I do, I roll it very tight and leave it hot for a very long time, so that when I lose my waves, they are not going to, how will I put it, they are not going to bounce back. How will I put it? I don't know how I'm going to put that. Because I want it really wavy but not too coily. You guys are going to see it at the end. That is what I wanted. So each time I'm doing that, I always make sure I roll the hair very, very tight. Then by the time I comb it with my brush, the waves, they are going to be wavy but not straight, not too wavy, in between. Anyway, let me put it that way.
So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
I use a hot comb on it to flatten the hair the more, and that is it. That was all I did. Just look at those waves, look at this hair, look at the color, look at how popping they are. I so much love this wig. There was nothing like tango, and there was no smell to it, and there was no shedding as well. You can see it. No glue, no styling gel, nothing, just like that. So that is it, guys. If you like it here, please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit on that bell icon. Please, if you like this video, support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys very, very soon. All right, guys, bye. See you guys. Stay gorgeous. Bye.
Know when your body feels so tired.